Hey people, welcome along to another video. Today's one, we're going to do the Margarita. Very, very simple. Today's ingredients just consist of 3 items. Tequila, orange liqueur, limes. A lot of people are tempted to put salt on the rim of their drink for the Margarita. We encourage against it. Just thinking about the consistency of the drinks, you've got obviously tequila here, which is actually made from sugar. Agave is a sugar plant. You've got orange liqueur here, which is made alcoholic by the distillation of sugar. And then you've got limes here, which is a really sharp citrusy flavour. Salt, it's like putting salt on a dessert. We don't think it works. However, if you do, at an event, we just basically halve the rim with salt. That way you've got the choice. If you want to, you can. If you don't, no problem. We're going to make it without the rim. The only equipment you're going to need for this, okay, is a shaker tin, a strainer. It's optional, but we've got a fine strainer as well. This is just to take the leftover shards of ice that make it through the larger strainer. You don't have to do this. They will melt within the sake of a minute, but when we present it, obviously we don't want little bits in the drink. So orange liqueurs, there's always a little bit of questions. We get rung all the time. Which one should we buy for the event, etc., etc., between triple sec or Cointreau. Both are orange liqueur. Cointreau, which is the brand a lot more people know, this is a sweeter orange liqueur. Triple sec, still orange liqueur, but just dry. In this case for a Margarita, lime, like I said, you've already got the sweetness from the tequila going in. The drier option is the one we're going to go for. To make this drink, shaker tin. We're going to use triple sec and tequila. We've mentioned it in other videos, but I'll just say it again in case this is the only one you've watched. We always want to use with cocktails half the amount of liqueur as we do spirit. So in this case, I'm going to pour 30 millilitres of tequila in, which means I'm going to use 15 millilitres of the triple sec. If you've got an egg cup, the average volume of an egg cup is 40 millilitres. So you can gauge, 3/4 full, for example, is your 30. Basically, we're going to pour these drinks now. Okay, so 15 and 30 ml. Limes. Clearly, you can get these from the store. You can either chop a lime in half, squeeze it in, or you can get one of these contraptions, okay? We call them a Mexican elbow in the industry. It basically just opens up, you put half the lime in and just apply pressure. All the liquid comes out the bottom, goes in. However, in this case, I've already squeezed my juice, we've already got the lime here. Now, I'm gonna add the amount of lime that I did as the tequila. So I've used 30 millilitres of tequila. I'm now gonna use 30 millilitres of lime juice. That's the mix that's going in our drink. Add ice. More important ingredient than people realise. Not only does it chill the drink, but it actually acts as a catalyst for shaking. That ice will move around inside the drink and is what actually causes it to mix up properly. Okay, kind of like that little spring that you put in your protein shakes. That's what the ice is doing in this case. Okay. So, the drink's been shaken up. What we're going to do now, you'll see apply the strainers, then I'm going to fine strain it into the coupe. And that's our drink ready. Like I said, most of the time, a lot of people would put a salt on the rim. In our case, we don't tend to unless asked. Anyway, that's in Margarita. Enjoy, we'll see you in the next video.